equals 100. 9 times 9 equals 81. 8 times 8 equals 64. 7 times 7 equals 49. 6 times 6 equals 36. 5 times 5 equals 25. 4 times 4 equals 16. 3 times 3 equals 9. 2 times 2 equals 4. 1 times 1 equals 1.
Very good. How about 1 times 2?
1 times 2 equals 2. 1 times 3 equals 3. 1 times... Wait. 1 times...
I will ask you.
What?
4 times 3.
4 times 3? 12.
5 times 3.
5 times 3? 15.
6 times 3.
What?
6 times 3.
18.
7 times 3.
Wait. 7 times... Wait.
7 times 3.
6 times 3.
7 times
7 times...
3.
7 times 3. 7 times 3. 15, 19, 20, 21. You're teaching me!
8 times 3.
8 times 3. 21, 22, 23, 24.
9 times 3.
27.
3 times 3.
9.
1 times 3.
3.
9 times 8.
Wait, 9. Can you start 9 times 1?
Okay, 9 times 1.
9.
2.
9 times 2. 9 times 2. 18.
9 times 3.
19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27.
9 times 4.
27, 28, 29, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46.
9 times 5.
9 times 5, 46, 47, 48, 49, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45.
9 times 7.
46, 47.
Saya boy. 9 times 7.
What? I don't.
You listen. I didn't say 9 times 6. We continued counting from 4 to 5. 9 times 6. Okay.
45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 60, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54.
9 times 7.
9 times 7,
Hmm.
54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63.
9 times 7. 9 times 8.
9 times 8. Wait.
63.
63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71,
9.
72,
9 times 9.
81. 9 times 10, 90.
Very good.
Come on,
Yay. What else?
Wow!
What else do you want? What else? What table you want to?
2.
2. Okay. Without counting. This time no counting.
No counting 2.
Yeah.
Only
In
8,
your mind.
only 8 and 7 and
Only in your mind.
No,
No counting, ha?
I want to count.
No counting of fingers. I know you know it.
I want to count, huh?
No counting. 2 times 1.
2. I said counting. Can I count 8, 9, 8, 7, 6?
Okay. Count by 2.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24.
24. Oh.
It's
Count by 3.
count by 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 43, 46.
Okay. Next time na pod.
Give me.
Give me what?
What?
Give me what?
4.
Who are you? Who are you dialing to?
4.
Ha? Next time na po ang ubang tables. Unsa pa man na table?
Table of 4.
You know how to count by 4? Okay.
4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. What is the next? 32, 36, 40.
Count by 5.
No, 44, 48.
Okay. Count by 5.
Count by 5. 5, 10, 15, 15, 20, 25. 40, 45, 40, 45, 50, 55. What is it? What is next again?
60.
60.
55, 60. Count by 6.
Can I count, please?
You know?
6.
6.
6 times 2.
You're counting your finger.
Wow!
Okay, you're
I want
counting.
3 only. 3 only. 6 times 3 only. I
Okay.
want 6. I want to count with 6 and 7 and 8.
Study count by 6 to 9, ha?
I'm done with 9.
Okay, and 6.
6 times 3. 6 times 3. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
6 times 4.
6 times 4. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24.
6 times 5. You're counting your finger. I told you to memorize
24,
it.
26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 41.
31. There's no 31 in table 6.
36.
Only 30. 6 times 5, 30.
Wait, 40.
6 times. Oh, you did not brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. Say bye, guys.
Not yet. I'm gonna.
Okay. Okay. Finish.
6 times 1 equals 6. 6 times 2 equals 12. 6 times 3 equals 18. 6 times 4 equals 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24.
6 times 5.
24, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
6 times 6. Balo ka na.
36.
Basta double balo siya. 6 times 7.
36, 37, 38, 49, 40, 41, 42.
6 times 7. Ay, 6 times 8.
42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48.
6 times 8. 6 times 8.
40! Why not
No, it's 6 times 7.
1.
36.
48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54.
6 times 9. 54. 6 times 9. 6 times 10.
54.
6 times 10.
6 times 9!
6 times 10 is
I said
54.
6 times 9.
6 times 9.
54.
6 times 10.
6 times 10, 60.
How about 7? You want 7? No.
7.
You want 7? Okay, 7 times 1.
7 times 1, 7. 7 times 2, 14. 7 times 3 equals 21. 7 times 4 equals 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28.
6 times... 7 times 5.
What is it again? Again, 7, 7, 7.
28. You stop sa 28.
28, 29, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45.
7 times 6.
45, 46, 47, 48, 49.
You're counting.
I
You're not
want to
memorizing.
35, 35, 36,
Next time you
37.
memorize it, ha? So you don't have to count all your fingers.
40, 41, 42.
6 times 8. 7 times 8. 42.
42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49.
7 times 7. That is 7 times 7. 7 times 8.
7 times
49.
50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56.
7 times. 7
7
times 9.
56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63.
7 times 10. 7 times 10.
70.
Very
20. 70. I thought Kuya said 20.
No, it's not. Next time you memorize also, you don't have to count your fingers. I knew. I teach you why it's 7 times like that. You have to add 7 times 2 is 7 plus 7. But you need to memorize it also. It's easier for you if you can memorize it. How about 8? You want to memorize 8 or next time?
24. Next time.
Huh?
Next.
Next time na ang 8? Why? It's hard? It's not hard. You just have to add it and multiply it.
8 times 8.
8 times 8.
Wait, no, not yet. 8 times 1 equals 8. 8 times 2 equals 16. 8 times 3 equals 16, 17, 18, 19,
You're counting.
23, 24. I don't know.
24. You got it right. 8 times 3 is 24.
8 times 4 equals 24, 23, 24. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 41, 42.
8 times 5.
40.
8 times 5.
42, 43, 44, 45, 46.
So 45. 8 times 5.
8. 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 40.
8 times 6.
40, 41, 42, 40,
8 times 7. 8 times 8. 8 times 8? Do you know it? You know 8 times 8, right? 9 times 9, 81. 8 times 8.
64.
See, it's your favorite. 8 times 9.
8 times 9. 64, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72.
72. 8 times 10.
80.
80? Okay, table of 10. 10.
10.
Count by 10.
10 times. No. Only 10. Stop teaching me. 10 times 1
It's
equals
Chris' turn
10.
later.
10 times 2 equals 20. 10 times 3 equals 40. 10 times 4 equals 40. 10 times 5 equals 50. 10 times 6 equals 50. 10 times 6 equals 60. 10 times 7 equals 70. 10 times 8 equals 80. 10 times 9 equals 90. 10 times 10 equals 100.
Yeah, very good. You can now play your cell phone for 60 minutes. Congratulations! Ta-ta-da-da-da-da. Si Kuya na po. Ay, it's not
I
yours.
wanted the plane.
No, not that one. No,
I want Mystic Craft.
No, it's not your phone. It's tatay.
Give me that. Panda. There's a panda there.
What panda?
Panda. Panda. Panda.
Kadula na siya kaya naka-memorize na siya.
Yeah.
It's Kuya's turn. Sige, bye
Kuya.
guys. Say bye guys.
Bye-bye, guys.